Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. And in this video you must be wondering why I'm in this uh, home clothes. So this is because I'll be coloring my hair today. And as you have if you have previously seen my video, I purchased these L'Oreal Paris Excellence Fashion Highlights in the shade Caramel Brown from Nika. I have purchased two of this, so I thought why not color my hair, and let's see if it just does perform really well. And yeah, I'm here to show you how to color your hair at home, and obviously after hair color what steps you should do, and before hair color as well. So yeah, in this video I'm going to be doing a full hair transformation from this. As you can see, I'll just turn around. From this you'll be seeing what steps I'll do. I just cut my hair, everything. So yeah, first thing first, let's get started. So first of all, I'll just cut my hair. Probably you can see my hair are like dying because I have wavy hair and it gets messy like all of you. So yeah, for that I need to trim my hair like a little bit. I won't trim it like fully, I'll just trim it a little bit so that it looks nice and classy. So first of all, I'm just going to take all of my hair back, just taking the section from the ear. First thing first, I'm going to tie the upper section of my hair in a bun and secure it with a clip, and then I'll take the lower section and divide it into two parts and comb it well. You have to comb it well. And I'll take a small scissor, don't take a big scissor because it will not be easy for you. So you can see I'm taking my finger and positioning in a section like a finger, and the front part, the part which is outward should be less cut, and the part which is coming inward should be cut more. So you can see, then it should not be left like that. You should trim it a bit like this, like I'm doing in the video, just so that your hairs don't fall flat. It has some dimension to it. And now I'll do the same on the other section of my hair. Now when I'm done with the lower section, I'll just tie it so that it does not mix up with the middle section. Now it's time for the mid section, so I'll just remove the crown section and I'll just part the middle section, and I'll tie up the crown section. Repeat the same in the middle section. So you have to cut less on the outer part which is away from your face, and cut more from the inner part which is close to your face. So yeah, you can see now the hair split ends are almost gone, and the ends look really nice. So I'll repeat again in the other section of my hair as well. Middle section is done. I'm just gonna secure everything in a pony, and now it's time for the crown section. So I'm just combing the crown section, and I'll leave the flicks part, and I have to just part it right in the middle. I'm parting it, and then I'll comb my hair thoroughly so that there are no knots in the hair, and I'll just pick the section, and I'll cut more from the finger side and cut less where my palm starts. I'll cut less from that side, and now giving some dimension to the lower ends. repeating the same on the other section. So as you can see, my hair looks nice, and there are no split ends, and I can like feel how soft and good this looks without the split ends. So you should definitely trim your hair. And now I'm gonna color my hair. For this I'm gonna tie a bun and use this L'Oreal Excellence Fashion Highlights in the shade Caramel Brown. I picked this shade because it's natural. This is the brush came with it. This is the developer which came with it, and the last is the color which we are going to mix in the developer. So this is the conditioner which came with it. We have to use after wash, and I'm wearing the gloves. Also manual came with it, so you can check that out as well. Now I'm mixing the color in the bowl. I have mixed one color in front of you, but I have used 1.5 of the color, and yes, I'm mixing it with the developer as well. You have to use a brush and just mix it very nicely. So here I have divided it into 2 sections, and I'll start it from the bottom, in which I have to apply more color. So I'll just start from the bottom and move upwards. I'll try to use the brush, but nothing was coming through it, so it's not worth it. So you just use your regular brush only, and just thoroughly massage your hair with the color. So that's how you get a natural brown color without streaks, and that's what I've done on whole of my hair, starting with the bottom, then just massaging it through. The color was giving some really bad smell. Also it was irritating my eyes, so I don't like that about it. So if your eyes are sensitive or your nose is sensitive, so I don't think so you'll like it, so be aware of that. Now I'm getting more color and just massaging it into my hair, so that they are wet in hair, fully covered and wet in hair. And massaging is really important to get natural color. And then I'll just fold it and wrap it into the foil paper, so that it does not damage my t-shirt or so. I'm gonna just take the above section and I'll start the color. So here you have to remember that you should apply the color in the front as well as in the back section very thoroughly, so that your color not only distributes at the back but in the front section as well. So yeah, and then I have to massage it really well, and I'm massaging it in the flicks as well, lower section of the flicks, so it also comes down to that. And So you can see that the color is not in a straight line. I'm just doing it very randomly so that the color looks natural. So somewhere it is high and somewhere it is low, so it's really important to keep in mind for a natural color. Repeating the same in the other part. You have to apply color well, and this is what my trick is, to just massage it well so that our whole area is covered well. The color which is left, I'm just putting it in the bottom section so that the intensity of color is more there. Also, I'll comb it thoroughly to distribute the hair well, distribute the hair color well. And please keep in one thing in mind, that don't get it into roots. Keep it away from roots. Now I'll wrap the upper section in a foil paper, and I have kept it for 1.5 hours, not 1 hour. It didn't show color. Take care, please keep it more long. So this is how my hair color looks in the sunlight. I have conditioned it, rinsed it in water. The hair color doesn't made my hair look frizzy, and the color is very natural. Yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching and do subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.